Welcome back. This is our third lesson on creating the gear housing. In this lesson, we're going to build the full plate, the front part of the gear housing, and the top barrel housing. Okay, let's get to work. First, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and your middle mouse button or your mouse wheel to rotate the model. Now let's right-click and insert a new sketch on this face. I'm going to drop a rectangle here, something like this. Now activate the line command. Let's create a line from this point to this midpoint. Apply a horizontal relation. Select the line. Apply the Project Geometry tool. And let's select this edge. Let's apply a collinear relation. We'll select this line and this line. Now some dimensions. This side will make 160 millimeters. Okay. And the distance between this point and this line, I will make 110 millimeters. Lastly, let's convert this line to construction geometry and finish the sketch. Let's take an isometric view and activate the Extrude command. Select the profile to extrude. Let's change the direction of the extrusion. Make it 10 millimeters in depth. And OK. Let's insert a second sketch now on the XY plane. Right-click, New Sketch. Let me just zoom in a bit. And let's go back to wireframe view. It's just easier to sketch that way. Activate Project Geometry. Let's project this edge. Now activate the Rectangle tool, and let's drop a rectangle about here. Next, a 3-point arc. First point, second point. For the third point, I'll left-click when I see the tangency glyph. There we go. Press Escape to exit the tool, and let's delete this line. Next, I'll place a coincident constraint between this point and this point. And let's apply dimensions between this point and this point. Let's say 50 millimeters, OK. Let's dimension the radius of this arc at 40 millimeters, OK. Our sketch is fully constrained, so let's click Finish Sketch. Activate the Extrude command. Our profile is pre-selected. Let's just take a different view. It'll be a symmetric extrusion, 160 millimeters in depth. And let's click OK. Let's take an isometric view. Right-click on this face, New Sketch, and activate the Circle command. Right now we're creating the housing for the top barrel. Let's apply a dimension. We'll make this diameter 50 millimeters. OK. Let's finish our sketch and activate the Extrude command. Select our profile, make it a 20 millimeter extrusion. Let's apply a taper on the More tab, -5 degrees, and let's click OK. All right, let's take a Shaded with Edges view so we can better see what we've done. And this concludes our third tutorial on the gear housing. Don't forget to save your work.